I don't think I filmed an intro, so I'm gonna do it now. This is the end of my video. Alright guys, so today we are going to be reviewing the Dior Forever Glow Foundation, and I wore this once already, but I wanted to wear it for you guys and show you what it looks like after several hours of wearing it. So if you want to see what my thoughts are on this, and if you want to see how it wears throughout the day, then let's go. Alright guys, so I've already primed my skin with my Smashbox priming water, and today we are going to try the Dior Forever Skin Glow Foundation. And I already wore this once. I wore it yesterday, and I was so impressed with the actual product. I didn't think I was going to love it as much or that it would wear as well, because while I really liked the Laura Mercier foundation, it didn't wear as well on my skin. Like, I felt like after wearing this, I'm like, yeah, I can definitely get a solid understanding of just like how little wear time the Laura Mercier foundation had on my skin. So we're just gonna jump in. We're gonna use this foundation. So I'm gonna take this foundation brush. This is by Urban Decay, and I'm just going to dip into it. And what I did yesterday was I just applied the product and then blended it out. But just right off the bat, like, look. It has coverage. Okay, so just already you can see that there's coverage. So I still have a little bit more on my dish because I literally just pushed the product into the brush. And what I did yesterday was I'm going to take one more pump because I like coverage on my cheeks, and I'm going to let it sit. And then wherever I have left over, I just kind of push the product and then let it sit there. So that way we're building some additional coverage. But I'm not displeased with the amount of coverage that it has. Like, I think it has great coverage. So now we're going to go in with our concealer. I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm also going to let that sit. I'm going to wait for this to sit for a little bit. I'm going to blend it out, and then we'll come back and we'll have eyebrows, mascara, most of our face done, and then we'll continue with setting with a powder because this is a glowy foundation and my T-zone is oily, so we want to make sure that that stays on. So before I powder my skin, I want to show you guys just what my skin looks like. As you guys can see, there is coverage. My skin looks pretty even. It looks really glowy and pretty and natural, so I do have to powder it. I might as well just powder it with you guys. I'm taking my Laura Mercier brush, and I'm using this Royal Langnickel, what is this, BOM 31 brush. And before I set anything, I just want to make sure I don't have any creasing. So I'm going to start off with my eyes. And then now I'm going to take whatever's left over, and I'm just pushing that powder into my T-zone. And then a little bit around my jaw. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put my eyebrows on and the rest of my makeup, and we'll be back. Alright guys, it is now 10:11, and I am done with my makeup. The only thing I'm going to do that I did yesterday was also I'm going to set my face with the Scandinavia, the makeup finishing spray. And the reason is because, as you guys can see, my skin does look a little luminous, but because I've gone in with powder, I forgot to put on blush, y'all. I'm going to take this Royal Langnickel brush, and this is in BOM 32. My son is being very special today. So it's a stippling brush, and I'm going to go in with this Juvia's Place blush palette. As you guys can see, I'm trying some new brushes, and I'll do a review on them once I have a better idea of how I feel. But this is Royal and Langnickel, and they make art brushes as well as makeup brushes. And so far, I have to say I do like them. I do have an opinion, but I want to give them a shot. So I'm going to set my face. Alright guys, so this is what the final face looks like. I'm not doing a lipstick just yet because I'm still drinking mi cafecito. It says Papa Bear. We'll check in throughout the day and you guys can see how this wears, but as of now it's 10:14 and I'll come back and I'll check in throughout the day and you guys will see just how freaking beautiful this foundation is. Hey guys, welcome back. It is now 2:30 and I have to say my foundation looks fly. I really do like the way this foundation looks so far. I've had it on for about 4 hours and my skin still looks luminous but matte. And again, I only applied powder in my T-zone. My nose has worn off a little bit, but that's because I've been blowing my nose quite a bit. I really like the way this is looking and I know for a fact that it'll just continue to look better as I wear it throughout the day because that was my experience yesterday, so I'm really trying to be hopeful. But as of now, I really love just how luminous my skin looks. I do not have on any highlighter, I just have on bronzer and blush and they were matte. So as you guys can see, my skin just looks like I'm glowing from within. So stick around and we'll continue to do check-ins. Alright guys, this is the final check-in. It is now 8:46 and man, it looks good. Take a look. Of course, around my nose it's worn off, but other than that, my foundation is on. It's matte. It looks glowy. My makeup is still in place and it always surprises me how good it looks after being worn for a long time. Yesterday I had it on for over 12 hours and it just looks so good. So this foundation is definitely one that I would recommend to you guys. It's fantastic. It has great coverage. It wears really well, and for the record, I am combination. So for the record, I would say I'm currently normal. I can get a little oily in my T-zone sometimes, but again, a primer will help manage that. Overall, I would say that this is one that I would wear up until the summertime, and then I would probably not wear it come summer because mama gets oily, probably like all of us, right? So I really do love this, and I'm ready to take it off. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to leave a comment down below letting me know if you have any questions or if you have any recommendations for upcoming videos, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And lastly, make sure to like this video. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.